Hey guys, so this is a video that's an update basically in regard to my channel. I'm here to announce what my plans are for the channel for 2025 as I plan on releasing some new Linux content, and I'm really excited for what's to come. I really want to revisit this channel. I feel like I just left it and abandoned it, and it's just been sitting there. I've been uploading sporadically, but I do want to finally start taking this channel and this whole YouTube journey seriously, and I do want to just upload some cool, fun Linux videos for you guys. So speaking of which, if you guys do have ideas for the type of Linux content that you'd like to see, feel free to leave that in the comment section below. And in addition to that, for those of you that might be subscribed and don't even remember subscribing, because I'm just a channel that might just pop up with a bunch of Linux videos all of a sudden. If that's not the type of content that you're looking for, you can also feel free to unsubscribe. That's totally fine. But yeah, that's basically it. As you can see, I'm rocking GNOME as my desktop environment, and I used to be really big on KDE Plasma. I have a bunch of opinions and things to just talk about. But yeah, I'm basically using Fedora 41 right now with the GNOME desktop environment, and I'm super happy with it. So far, I've been having a very rock solid experience. This has been a very polished experience, especially coming back to Linux after not using it for some time. Last I was using it, I was with KDE Plasma, and it was either Kubuntu or KDE Neon or something like that. I've been distro hopping a lot, but I'm hoping that I stick to Fedora because it seems like it's actually a rock solid experience. Also, I'm not sure why it doesn't show the disk capacity. For those of you who might know, I'd really appreciate it if you tell me how I can get it to show here. But yeah, this isn't really a super powerful computer by any means, but it gets the job done. And yeah, so that's just kind of a sneak peek of some of the things I'm going to be talking about in future videos. And yeah, I'm just super excited. See you in the next video, guys.